Hello everyone, my name is Dwayne and I'm going to do laptop repair. I have had overheating issues with this older Asus laptop. I put Windows 11 on it and it started to crash, but it wasn't because of Windows 11. It's because it was overheating. I could almost burn my fingers right here at the outlet, the air outlet. Another thing is the hard drive likes to clunk and make noise now, and that's been for the last week and a half. So my goal here is to put new thermal paste on the CPU and heatsink. We got a 2.45 G and Bluetooth mini card, and we're going to put in another SSD. The one that's in there now is about 14 years old, and it didn't come with the computer, of course. But here we go. I'm now going to transfer you over to the phone. Okay, here we go. Okay, so what we done in here is we got the network card in there and the one difficult cable plugged in. There was also a fastener I had to put in under here, and I'm just going to move that over because this has to go over here like that. Okay, now we're going to get all the screws back in. There. Now the best part. Lid back on. Looks like we got everything else back in the right places so far. I'm now going to image the old hard drive onto the new hard drive using Paragon Hard Drive Manager. Now that's what I use, but there are many different programs you can use. Here we go. Something's happening. It's reading the disk for the first time. That there is the new hard drive, Windows 11. Yahoo! Windows 11's working. Right on. So now we go to the network settings and we make sure that the new network card is showing up. See if they're working. Open network card and down to advanced network settings and down to more network adapter options. And what's this? There we are. that's there and ready to go with